These garlic butter chicken bites are irresistibly juicy and flavorful. Let me show you how I make them. I'll be using about half a kg of boneless and skinless chicken breast. Cut into bite-sized cubes, as large or as small as you like. That's perfect. Add them to a mixing bowl. To season, I'll be using 1 tablespoon of mixed herbs, which has oregano, rosemary, thyme, and mint, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and salt to taste. Fully coat the chicken cubes with the seasoning. You can let it marinate for 30 minutes if you have the time. Otherwise, let's head to the stovetop. To a pan, add some unsalted butter and drizzle some vegetable oil. Let that melt. Add the chicken cubes. Make sure all the cubes are on the pan. Don't overcrowd the pan. You can cook in several batches if you need to. Let them cook for 3 to 4 minutes, then flip. Let them cook on the other side until they are well done. That looks good. Set the chicken aside on the bowl. In the same pan, add a little more butter and let it melt. Crush, peel, and mince 3 to 4 garlic cloves. Saute until the garlic is fragrant. Don't let the garlic burn, otherwise it will taste bitter. After about 30 seconds, add the chicken broth. I make the broth by dissolving 1 chicken cubes in some warm water. Stir that in and let it heat up. Add back the chicken cubes and mix them in. Freshly squeeze some lemon or lime juice and add it to the pan. Stir that in and cook for a minute or 2. That looks and smells amazing. Garnish with some coriander leaves and we're good to go. These chicken bites are so tender, juicy, and go perfectly with any side. I'm having mine with some ugali and greens. It's very tasty. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tasty recipes. See you on the next one. Bye.